Hello, this is Armando. Armando loves making his house a renewed and practical place. Whenever he can find an opportunity and space, he ensures his home looks tidy and beautiful. This time, Armando decided to buy the Rimax wardrobe closet, available in different functional styles and easy to assemble. This makes it an ideal solution for organizing and decorating the house, creating a cozy and inviting space. Today, Armando will show us how to assemble the resin wicker wardrobe cabinet. You will see how quickly you can have your Rimax furniture ready to be used in a new area of your home. Before starting the assembly process, it's essential to find a suitable space to lay out all the pieces and work on a clean surface to protect the wardrobe. The only tool you need to assemble a Rimax cabinet is a screwdriver. Therefore, make sure that all the pieces fit properly. Step 1. The base. To begin this process, take one of the pieces A, the one without a logo, place it on the floor, and select the 4 heels or pieces T. Insert one piece into each corner and ensure that it is properly installed. Flip the piece over and leave it on the floor. Now the base of the wardrobe is ready. Step 2. Bottom sides. Take the 2 panels B and insert them into piece A, which is the base. Place one on each side and make sure they fit correctly. Step 3. Bottom back. Locate panel C and, following the indications on the piece, rotate it and slide it to the back of the wardrobe. Slide it along the guides of pieces B, sides, until it reaches piece A, base. Make sure the pieces are securely attached. You should feel it click into place. Step 4. Back connector. Now, take piece K and insert it into piece C, back. This piece acts as a connector and helps secure the structure. Step 5. Bottom doors. Now, let's assemble the doors. For this, take 2 pieces D, doors, and 2 pieces H, door connectors. Place a connector on each door and adjust them correctly. Step 6. Bottom left door. Once the bottom doors are assembled, insert the left door into the axis on the base and finally secure it with one of the pieces I, which acts as a connector and hinge. It's essential that the door is well installed on the base's axis so that it can become hinged. Step 7. Bottom right door. Now, repeat the previous process with the right door and ensure that the connector fits properly. Now you have the bottom doors installed. Step 8. Corner connectors. Take the 2 pieces I1 or corner connectors. Bring them to the back corners of the wardrobe and assemble them. Make sure the corners are well installed. Step 9. Upper sides. Now, take the remaining 2 panels B. Fit the left side on the already installed I connectors. Now, repeat the previous process with the right piece. Step 10. Upper back. Locate the other panel C and, following the indications on the piece, rotate it and slide it into the back of the wardrobe's top part. Slide it along the guides of pieces B, sides, until it reaches the connector. Make sure the pieces are securely attached. You should feel it click into place. Now the back of the wardrobe is finished. Step 11. Upper doors. Now let's assemble the upper doors of the wardrobe. For this, take 2 pieces D, doors, and assemble them on the lower doors on each side, left and right. Ensure that the doors are correctly assembled. Step 12. Top panel. Take the last piece A, the one with the Rimax logo, place it on the floor, and insert the 4 caps, or pieces N. Place one in each corner. Take the previously assembled top panel and place it on the wardrobe structure. Carefully assemble each corner so that the entire product is joined together. Tip: gently place it and apply pressure to each corner to make it easier. Step 13. Clothes hanging rod. This product adapts to your needs. You have 2 options for hanging clothes, above or below. Choose the one that suits you best. Includes 10 Rimax hooks for greater convenience. Step 14. Shelves. Now we will place the shelves in the wardrobe. Take the pieces J and place them at the desired height. Make sure to insert the piece slightly inclined. Ensure that each corner is well assembled. Repeat this step with each shelf. Step 15. Handles. Finally, all that's left is to take the pieces M, or vertical handles, and the 4 screws that will allow you to secure them. Open the doors and identify the circular guides on them. This part is crucial for proper handle placement. Place the handle in the second guide. This way, the handle will be completely centered on the wardrobe. Gently place the screw at the top and pierce the door's material. Now, place the other screw in the second guide downward. This area is thin, so you won't need to apply much force. Finally, place the handle on the exterior and start screwing it in. This will secure the handle in place. Repeat the procedure with the other handle on the right door, and you're done. Now your Rimax wardrobe cabinet is ready to be used. Armando is happy. With Rimax, your spaces are more functional, warm, and practical. As you could see, the assembly process of Rimax cabinets is straightforward. Remember that with Anna and Armando, you'll find how to assemble other references of Rimax closets. Suggestions: for regular cleaning of your cabinet, use conventional detergents, rinse with plenty of water, and do not use abrasive cloths or metallic sponges, as they could damage the surface of the cabinet. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok too, with great usage ideas and promotions that will captivate you.